When you brushed your teeth and looked in the mirror, did you notice that your mirror was glowing? In fact, there are LED light strips present in it. Then someone might ask, in such a damp bathroom, won't the light strips installed inside get damaged? Actually, no, because it has a waterproof raincoat layer on the surface. However, this raincoat was not stitched together, but was dropped out using glue. Mingshui Lighting will take you through the entire process of making the drip LED light strip in just 1 minute. This is our PU glue material for the light strip raincoat. Of course, just like the silicone used in neon light strips, it also needs to be pre-mixed before it can be used. Then came the most relaxing part. We fixed each waterproof light strip onto the frame, and then the machine would drip the glue onto the surface of the light strips, just like pouring frosting on a cake. Why can't we use artificial glue to attach the light strips? If you want to create a light strip with numerous bubbles and unevenly distributed glue application, you can achieve this through manual methods. After the strip is dripped with glue, it cannot be used immediately. Generally, it needs to be left to air dry naturally for 24 hours before it can be shaped properly. The moisture-proof lighting effects seen on the bathroom mirror and in the cabinet compartments are all achieved through this method. Those who are engaged in bathroom cabinet production or interior decoration will definitely use this kind of light strips frequently. Like and follow us. Please feel free to share your opinions in the comments section.